Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are just doing a basic nap time clean with me. I got a lot of dishes to do and some vacuuming to do and some laundry. I'm starting off by doing the laundry first. And then moving on to vacuuming the sofa. I feel like the sofa needs to be vacuumed daily, but I can't do it daily. That's not reasonable for me, so I try and do it when I can. And I also vacuumed these pillows a little bit, but I ended up going over them with like the velvet red hair remover device. You'll see it. It's actually really cool. It's way better than those sticky rollers because you don't have to keep buying refills for it. You just use this red velvet looking thing. This thing, what is it called? It's like a I can't think, guys. The reason why this video is going up a day late is because I was in the ER with a possible kidney stone, possible UTI, probably both, not sure. But the day I was in the ER was the day I was supposed to be editing this, and I didn't get to edit it because I was in the ER most of the day. And then yesterday I was exhausted, so I was falling asleep editing this, so clearly I'm still tired because I cannot think of the name of that. It's like, you know, when you have animals and there's dog fur all over the place and you have to de-shed it. I don't know why I keep saying that. You guys, this is horrible. But anyway, yeah, I used that to remove the hair on those pillows the best I could. Those pillows like to really hold on to hair. And I went ahead and finished vacuuming out in the living room area. I was trying to cut off that yawn for you guys, but I also vacuumed in the kitchen. It was needing it. I did do one extra thing in the kitchen that I don't normally do in this video. This was filmed clearly before I started feeling sick. I didn't start feeling sick until Tuesday, and then on Wednesday I felt fine, and then on Thursday I felt horrible, and then yesterday I still didn't feel super great. This morning I was still like not 100, but it's getting there slowly. I have antibiotics and everything is good now. So yeah. Anyway, moving on to all these dishes that I had. I was actually vlogging on this day, and it's always hard for me to like keep up on house stuff when I'm vlogging because I'm trying to do stuff for the vlogs, and I let stuff like this go all the time. So I had a good amount of dishes to wash for our cleaning video. So I did a quick wipe down of my counters. I have this new cleaner. It was from Safeway, and it's like a natural cleaner, and it's supposed to smell like spearmint, and it has vinegar in it. I mostly smell the vinegar, so I'm not a big fan of it, but it was cheap. So here's the extra thing I did in the kitchen. Some of my grout lines were looking a little rough, so I just quickly kind of spot cleaned some of my grout lines there. So yeah, I just used our Dawn dish soap power wash thing and one of Alira's old toothbrushes and just scrubbed the grout a little bit. And then I went ahead and steam mopped all the floors. Alright, and there it is, all nice and clean, and the floors were in desperate need of attention, so they look so much better. I did do a home Christmas tour. I had that posted on Wednesday, so if you haven't seen that, be sure to check that out so you can see all my Christmas decor. And yeah, I hope you guys are having a good weekend so far. I hope you're staying healthy and well, unlike me. But yeah, as always, live life in full bloom, and I will see you guys later. Bye.